Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare some amazing pumpkin rice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my pumpkin. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the skin from my pumpkin, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just slice up my pumpkin in some smaller pieces. And once I'm finished slicing up my pumpkin, I will go ahead and just rinse off my pumpkin in some cold running water. Now, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local farmers market, and of course, you'll get pumpkin there as well. You can always go ahead and pair your pumpkin rice with some fried chicken. You can have it with some fish, you can have it with some curry chicken, whatever you have at home. Just remember, guys, to always be creative. So just in case you don't want any rice and peas, you can always go ahead and prepare this amazing pumpkin rice, and it will take you only about 25 minutes. Really easy, really simple. And remember to go ahead and check the description box for all of the ingredients that I'm using, and let me know in the comment section what else you would add to this amazing pumpkin rice. Now, we can always prepare it for your family, for your friends. If you're having a party and you want to add an amazing rice recipe, you can always go ahead and add this amazing pumpkin rice, and you can always serve it up to your families and your friends on a Sunday afternoon, on a Monday, whichever day of the week you want to serve it up. So like I said, once I'm finished slicing up my pumpkin, I will go ahead and rinse off my pumpkin on some cold running water, and then we're going to move over to the stove where we're going to go ahead and start cooking our pumpkin. So now that I'm finished slicing up my pumpkin, it's time to go ahead and, of course, we're going to cook it. So I added some butter to my pot, and of course I allow it to melt. And then I'm going to go in with my pumpkin, combine that together nicely for a couple seconds, and then I will go in and add some water and allow my pumpkin to cook nicely before I add the rice or any other ingredients that I'm going to add to this. Now you can always go ahead and add some of your paprika, some black pepper, and a small amount of your all-purpose seasoning if you have all-purpose seasoning at home. If you don't want to add all of that, you can always go ahead and just add a small amount of salt. Now, if you're gonna add the all-purpose seasoning, no need to add the salt, because sometimes the all-purpose seasoning contains a lot of salt already. So we're just gonna go in and add some mixed vegetable, of course, because we want to get all of that color nicely together. And of course I added some pimento berries. The pimento berries is optional. I will also go in and add a piece more of my butter. And of course, once you add all of that goodness, you just want to combine everything together nicely. I added some salt, so just in case you don't want to add the all-purpose seasoning, you add the salt. And once we add all of that goodness, I will go in and add my white rice, and I turn my stove on medium heat. Once you add the rice, you combine everything together and allow it to cook nicely. Once your rice starts to cook nicely and most of the water is cooked out of your rice, you're gonna turn down your stove on low heat and allow that to just steam nicely, because you don't want your rice to be too soft. You want it to be shelly and nice. And once it's finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. This should take you roughly about 25 minutes. Like I said earlier, really easy, really simple. And this is it, the final product of my amazing pumpkin rice. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe, and I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends and your family members about Kali J's Kitchen, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.